This charcoal making is gonna take 3 days more or 4 days more something. They are doing coconut harvesting and charcoal making. Once it goes down, we are going to put some. So I am here right now at the farmhouse, and a few days ago my auntie started doing charcoal like this one. It's actually takes a lot of days because the drum is very small. Like as you can see in my previous videos, they have a big drum for this kind of charcoal. We don't have anything like that here, and we borrow this drum as well to my auntie. We can't really like finish this one as soon as possible because as you can see, it's occupied very small. Also, this one is kind of hard to smoke because as you can see, it's wet from the rain. So actually guys, this kind of smoking takes a whole day, and then they're going to stop smoking this in the evening and then cover it, and then tomorrow, the next day, when it's like not hot anymore, they're gonna take out the charcoal. So I'll show you the charcoal later. So this is the charcoal from a few days ago, and over here they're small. So that's the only coconut shell left from previous video that I showed you, which is huge. So this is our coconut shell all, and then soon to be we are going to charcoal this one. This is the coconut shell and this is the charcoal. And over there my auntie is doing the charcoal, which is that's the process. So you have to put fire under there and then put all of the coconut shell, and then after all of that coconut shell burn, it looks like this one. So I guess this charcoal making is gonna take 3 days more or 4 days more something, and then this one is I guess 4 days of work because we have very small drum, like the metal drum, compared to having a big drum, which is when I checked the price, it's 3,500. But the thing is, if we are going to buy a big drum and then we're not doing charcoal most of the time, so we only do charcoal once a year, so it's gonna be like metal rust. Is that metal rust? Something. Yeah, I think metal rust. It's gonna be a waste because we only do, we're making charcoal once a year. Right. So this is the durian. So we only have 2 durian. This one and that one. For this year, I guess. And this is the whole tree. And that's the farmhouse. And then this is the durian. That's the durian fruit. So Dad is gonna get some saging. Ay, butiki. Ha? Puratan po ito.
Dili, bacho. Wala ay. Ang wako. Apa man dito kumoy, pero... Oh, hindi ato ano. Ha?
So Dad is gonna take this banana over there.
Ay, berada.
Ay!
Bulang bali ato.
Pagira mo na pala taon na diha.
na ko dito. Mura na na.
Ah, guwang. Mas guwang na kasi ito isa. Ooh. Very nice. So, we're adding more. Oh. Niyaw, tagak man. So, this is our banana.
Matapot kay bukat.
Hey,
Sa bukat siya
we
kapkap
have a lot of banana. Okay, so I am heading to the farmhouse right now. Let's go. So this is one of the hardest road that Ready Teddy needs to pass, but we found a way here in this side. This is the new path for Ready Teddy. And hopefully there's no big trucks gonna pass here because it's gonna be wet like this if there's a big truck gonna pass in this side. Okay, so I am heading to the farmhouse right now because they are doing coconut harvesting and charcoal making. Let's go and see. So I didn't come here last 2 days of harvesting because I am busy with at the store. Also, I already have some footage of the coconut harvesting that you saw in my previous coconut harvesting, but this time it's going to be charcoal making. So this is it. This is new to my vlog. So this one is the charcoal making. And once this one, the coconut shell goes down, because at the bottom is already charcoal, it's gonna go down. Then once it's gonna go down, we are going to add more of this coconut shell. And then we have some 8 bags of uling, like charcoal. I'll show you. This one, this is the charcoal. And then this is the charcoal. So we have 8 bags of charcoal like this, and this is the barrel. So this charcoal making for 8 bags, and then we have some 1 bag or 2 bags for this, takes I guess few days because we only have small barrel. We don't have the big one that you saw in my previous videos that I showed you of charcoal making. So this is the copras we harvest few days ago, and then they smoked this copras last night and then finish today. Layo po kayo.
Ay, ano na ibunot ya kilid?
Ay!
Hindi kahilig kay cook eh. Magsindig dito cook. Sako.
Kamu benda itu. Guba na gid akong GoPro na. O di ba ka battery na ko dito. lang. And I'm sweating. I'm sweating. This is the bag. So after this, we're gonna do like this. And then after that, I'm gonna put it here. And then that one goes to Ready Teddy to transport and sell. Auntie Diding is doing some broomsticks. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags of copras. So this smokehouse, guys, almost got some fire last night. As you can see, this 3 holes. There's fire started under and then goes to that 2 holes over there. And then I'm glad it doesn't like burn this smokehouse. Oh, na po. Gani gito ko ora ninyo. Kuyang kaayo. Ay, may gulay. So this pile of coconut shell, after the other at the bottom is already charcoal, this part is gonna go down. Once it goes down, we are going to put some charcoal like this. Chickens love to eat buwa. Look, the white one, this one. So the chickens over there, they love eating. That's buwa, guys. That one and that one. So this one is we call bukong. That's what we use to put fire here because that's how they smoke the copras above. Bugat na nga sako. That's how it looks like under, guys. So this is what it looks like inside. And then that's the copras above. So that is where we put all the coconut flesh and then smoke and then turns into copras. So mom over here is picking some copras. There's more on this side and then on that side, and then the fire is inside. So they put a lot of fire in this side. That's why above there's a hole. It's one of the disadvantage and the precautions. What's that, precautions? Like you need to be careful putting some fire in this one because it's gonna burn all of the smokehouse. So I'm glad it's not. Okay, so this one is the bukong, and then this bukong we're gonna transfer here because we're going to use the bukong to make a fire or to cook some lechon if there's some occasions. So I'm gonna put that one there so that the rain won't wet all of this because we need dry. Okay, so we're going to add more.
Shoot ang sako isa.
Gabok gid eh.
So this is our charcoal. Oh, apil na ning bukong.
Ay, apil na. Uling gapon na. Kulang rin oh.
Dito ay, kuha itong gabaw.
May pa.
Ini siya na ano ya.
So this one, there's fire. It's burning inside. See? Okay, so I am done here. I am going back to the store, guys. So I am walking and I'm going to drive the Hatasu. And my GoPro is not working anymore. So what is going to be my camera for the Hatasu? I need camera stand. But what kind of camera I'm going to use in my Hatasu, since my GoPro is not working anymore? I don't know what's the problem. Probably the battery, because when I record it, it suddenly just shut down or freeze the video. And before it's the video freeze, and this time is shutting down. There's a horse in the middle of my path. There's a horse in my path, so I have to take another way, which is this way. Pero dili man ni mautanan, di ba? So this is our uling and copras. This one. So I am selling it now. If you guys enjoy, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click the notification bell to keep you updated. And thank you so much for the continued support. Bye everyone.